it's gonna be called the snowstorm, just to fit in how the weather's been. And we didn't even get a storm. We just got some snow. Anyways, for that reflection, what am I gonna do today? I have the camera shaky, I'll fix it in a bit. Breaking news, a snowstorm is coming. Oh, stop. They said we were getting a snowstorm and our power could go out. And what happened? We got a little snow. A little snow. You should see the balcony. That's a little snow, Molly. Okay, anyways. Oh, really? It's emergency. Okay, looks like I should get ready. The power goes out. Pretend these things... Oh, no, I'm just going to turn them off, actually. Oh, my gosh. This is why I always leave them on. Pretend there's no time on the clock. Hey, I'm about to... What? I was about to win. Molly, did you turn off the power? No, the power went out itself. We're getting a literal snowstorm this time. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, you better get your stuff and just get stuff ready. Okay. Calvin! What, Liam? We're actually getting a snowstorm. You need to get your stuff. Let's get them a bag. Yeah, what am I doing? By the way, at like our Walmarts and stuff, there's barely any food because the snowstorm, and then we just got some snow, not anything that would be bad. So people prepared and went crazy for just a little snow. And yeah, someone said, this is the snowstorm we prepared for. It's just a little snow. Like, yeah, this is a snowstorm. We all prepared for it, and there's barely any snow to cause a big snowstorm. They're sharing about. Liam. Okay. Let's see. We need pajamas. We need, like, hoodies and sweatshirts. Need that and that. I think that's good. Yeah. Mom! Or not Mom. Charlotte, Jake. What, Calvin? There's a snowstorm coming, and literally there's a snowstorm. The power went out. Oh. Yeah, the power was out up here, too. That was Jacob talking. Yeah, and I'm trying to heat up a bottle for Cooper. Yes, he still drinks bottles sometimes. And I can't because I use it in the microwave. Liam, is it safe to heat up a baby bottle in the microwave? Not that I know of. Mom, is it safe for you to heat up a bottle in the microwave? No, I'm supposed to use the bottle warmer. Oh, Mom. Oh, we got our stuff wasn't here. Nothing. Okay. Oh, get your phone and stuff. Okay, will my tablet fit? Yes. Okay. That was Calvin's tablet. Come on. What are we supposed to do? I think we're going to Grandma's house. Your grandma? Yeah, and you know where she lives? Where? Virginia. Guys, I cannot remember who it is. I remember some girl that looked like Avril Lavigne, but I can't remember how she looked or who she is. Anyways, I haven't been here for a little bit. Probably a few hours or something, so yeah. Okay, Jacob, just drive. I don't care. Just drive slowly, though. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Jacob, what is going on up there? There's lots of ice and... Ah! Boom, 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 boom. I'm at Someone catch Snowball. Meow. Okay, that's it. I'm closing their box. Pretend it's closed. Y'all, are we almost there? I'm not sure. Oh no, there's a snowy mountain. Drive slower, Jacob. Woo. Not that slow. Go a little faster. Jacob, slow down. We're here. We're here at my mom's house. That was a lot. You missed another spot! Ah! Okay. Oh, where'd I miss the spot? Right at your butt. Oh my gosh, my butt's dirty. Duh. Cleans his butt. I don't know why I did that. Ding dong. Who's at the door? You can get the door while you leave. Okay. Coming. Yeah, y'all go in. I gotta hurry get back home. Okay. Oh, hi, Mom. Hi, Jake. I haven't seen you in so long. Oh my gosh. Mom, I brought the kids. Why are you wearing that? Oh, so sorry. No, guys, I'm just gonna switch his mom. I don't really like her being his mom. She's still bossy. The cleaner just came. Oh. Yeah, set your bag down. Set it down. Now, where's the kid? I'm gonna change Cooper's catchphrase. Johnny's like a naughty. I don't think your kid should be saying that. Mom, he's fine. By the way, which kid is this? Calvin? No, Mom, Calvin's like 12. 12? Uh-huh. Calvin. All Jacob's kids coming. Who are y'all? Clementine, Piper, Calvin. Wow, Calvin, you're so big. No, I just mean you're growing up. Hi. Who's that? Oh, that's my new wife's daughter, Molly. Why'd you bring cat? I'm allergic to cats. Move. I'll keep the cat's leg in the balcony. Or on the balcony, not in the balcony. Meow. Meow. But the cats also know not to leave. I accidentally threw Snowflake off. Well, as long as we got Snowball. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to finish this later. Bye, guys. Lip. I'm sorry, what do you mean? I hope they're talking about my Toga family. Oh, good, they're talking about Kate and Tay. Oh my gosh, they're talking about Kate and Tay. I have some new kids. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, introduce me to them. I'm Molly, I'm 16. I'm Charlotte's kid. I'm Charlotte's what? I'm Liam, I'm also Charlotte's kid. Nice, and who's the little boy? This is Cooper. He's the young. Oh, how old is he? He's 1 year old. Aww. Just be careful, he's savage. I'm sorry, what? Guys, I don't know how to use the word savage, so I hope I'm using it right. Yeah, Cooper is savage. He's very savage. How's he savage? Well, caution, wet floor. Okay, let me come out of my room. Ah! Why is the floor so slick? Where's the savage? Sorry guys, I don't know why it wasn't snowing. I don't know we're changing it. Okay, well we gotta go to bed. Okay, I'll be in the room next door. There we go, because the cleaner is just here. Oink, oink. Okay, anyways, we're just going to bed. Mom, I don't have anywhere to sleep. Your mom's asleep. I wasn't asleep yet, but... Oh, where's your bags? Oh, yeah. Let me find another room. What? We're finding another room. This one's too small. Yeah, totally. Cooper's still asleep, so be quiet. Boop, boop. Pick up your cat. Where's Molly's bag? Guys, no, actually, where did her bag go? What did I do with it? I need to know where it is right now. Has her clothes in it. Oh my gosh. Where did the bag go? Okay, forget it for now. They're all asleep. Jeff. Uncle Jeff. What? You can sleep. Just get out of here. Oh my gosh. There we go. It actually for real is a snowstorm. Boo! Guys, I can't really make it snow out here. It snows on the ground. Go somewhere else besides just there. Anyways, it keeps snowing on the ground. It snows. Ah. Oh, Cooper. Here. There you go. Okay. See outside. Holy. Cooper. That's so icy. Ah! Not going back out there again. Guys, get up. There's lots of ice. Ice. Do we seriously have to stay here until the ice is all melted? I hope not. Boom! Ah! What is going on? Crap, crap. The brightness is up so much. I think it's the boom, boom, boom. Boom. Guys, I don't have a crack for the ground. Okay, that works. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna go check what that was. No one come out here. He also like carefully walks. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Jacob's mom's gonna get so mad. It's not even my fault. Oh, the thing itself is broken. Let me just get some ice and fix the crack. Okay, there. 3 days later. Yeah, we've been here for 3 days. I know. I wanna go home. Same. I wanna go home too. I did not mean to record all that so fast. I wanna go. Snowball scratched the wall. I told you, Mom. She's not comfortable here. She's getting very scared. I don't think she is comfortable here. No, she's not. Okay. Well, what are we gonna do? Hallelujah, hallelujah. Pretend it's all just snow. There, it's all just a little bit of snow. It's safe to drive now! Yay! Okay, let's pack up. Ow, don't scratch me, Snowball. Okay, let's go. At the house. Y'all, I feel like I kind of left Molly's bag in the car. I know I brought it in. Yeah, it's not in the car. Anyways, at their house. Finally home. Yep. Let's go unpack all this. Cooper's gonna sit in his little swing. Hey guys, that is the end of this role play. Bye guys.